there is no tool sir. According to that, we have to consider manufacture design all the vehicles. Sir. For example, the think of the ARM is up to 450 mm. Learn from this. So actually, this is from seniors. This is there will be teams first year, second year, third year. What I'm supposed to do that. So senior engineer. And next time I will gain the engineer. So this is like a skill developing.
Northern parts. The main agenda of this is to make sustainable innovation, to promote students to make sustainable innovation. This is both a hybrid and electrical power, and QC system and so for electric system, which is a
Who did you choose this idea?
basically both members can both tribes.
According to their requirement, the roll gauge is the market. Actually, there will be three phases. Initial first phase will be first our overall vehicle summary, which we have the overall prototype model. The second phase we have to show our prototype. Third phase we have to manual. The based on the reference, we have to final model. Moving to the automobile industry, we have to know all
Actually, we made this kit for students who are struggling to learn electronics. Actually, in this kit, we integrate all these sensors. If you want to, in market availability, there is a sensors we want to integrate. We want to buy and integrate. In this kit, we made integrate the sensors in single kit. We made it in three versions: mini, intermediate, and advanced. In advanced, we use Raspberry for ML training, like the image processing. If there are any questions.
College students or school students?
Both. You are interested to learn electronics. It is very helpful. Actually, you want to work in Arduino, Nano, like that. You change the carrier board, and we also integrate with the OLED display, sensors, motor driver, and ultrasonic sensor, gyro. We integrate all these sensors in single kit.
Actually, this is the next version to this make it. This consists of Raspberry Pi 4. We can change to STM32. This consists of rotary encoder, stepper motor driver, stepper motor with MX1508, ultrasonic, IR, LDR, TOF. From this, students can able to do multiple projects in this. They can able to easily integrate the microcontroller with the sensors. They can easily.
In the single kit, they can do 100 plus tasks.
Actually, this PCB is designed by our friends, and this is manufacturing from China. By using ultrasonic, we can able to measure the distance. This TOF is the advanced version of ultrasonic. By using this TOF, we can also measure the distance. IR is used to detect the objects or not. LDR2 sense the light or not. TOF2 this actually works as a touch sensor. This OLED display to display the readings from the sensor. By using RTC, we can display the time in this sound signal module. PIR to detect the infrared phase, and a humidity sensor to measure the humidity.
In this single kit, you can integrate with any sensors based on your project.
Which comes handy in our hand, and it also has Ethernet ports and USB cables for connectivity and everything. And through ribbon cables, we can connect many peripherals to these kinds of boards. And this is an IoT board which comes in alternate for PLCs. As PLC are huge in size and it's not that compact, we made these things to industrial automations and it's kind of compact. This is primarily made to make things compact and many useful applications in industries. The industrial applications, many automations. Like in bottle filling industries and all, by using the IoTs, we could easily verify and make the process the control dance automations and everything. We can do everything which a PLC can do from this IoT.
This one is built for racing purpose. It has a lighter frame and higher kV motors. Higher kV motors means nothing but it may weigh lesser weight, but it can fly faster than the normal engines. And this drone is built for surveillance application. This was the first base model. Based upon its calculation and modification has been done on that model. We're reducing the size of the components. And speaking about the technical specifications of these components, speaking about the technical specifications of this drone, the entire drone setup is controlled by this module called Mixup. This is the core flight controller, which is responsible for the flight controls of this entire quad. And this one is called as a GPS or compass, which will provide an extra coordinates and providing stability to this copter. And surrounding four motors are not an ordinary DC motor. They are known as BL DC motor, which is brushless DC motor. They can revolve at a speed of immense speed with RPM of 15,000 to 20,000 depending on the key. And the entire setup is powered by single litho battery. Specification varies based on the requirement. For example, let us take this drone. The cost to make this drone is around 65 to 70,000. This drone can lift a weight of 600 kgs and 900 grams its maximum potential. And we have presented this drone at various competitions like LN and Envision in IIT Hyderabad and the Walk 23 an organization and even organized by the college. And these drones have several places in it.
this drone is built for another event, which is a crazy event.
Yes, sir. இது டிசைன் வந்து இங்கே ஆர்டிஎம் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். சைனா வந்து ஜிஎக்ஸ்சி.
It's an alternative for PLC board. In industrial automation, we use PLC more than anything.
How many layers do you use? PCB layers.
So it's 4 layers.
4 layers.
So this comes as an alternative for PLCs, which will be used for industrial automation. And its compact size is the plus point of this IoT.
So did you implement any other applications using
Yes, a conveyor belts, including sensors, we can use this conveyor belts and what. So easy. There are
what you're seeing just in front of your eyes is nothing but a drone. Apart from saying just it is a drone, it's actually a custom drone based upon the requirement. This one is built for racing purpose. It has a lighter frame and higher kV motors. Higher kV motors means nothing. It may weigh lesser weight, but it can fly faster than the normal drones. And this drone is built for surveillance application. This was the first base model. Based upon which the upgradation and modification has been done. We are reducing the size of the components and speaking about the technical specifications of the components. Speaking about the technical specifications of this drone, the entire drone setup is controlled by this module called Linkage. This is the core flight controller, which is responsible for the flight controls of this entire class. And this one is called as a GPS or compass, which will provide an extra coordinates and providing stability to this copter. And surrounding 4 motors are not ordinary DC motor. They are known as PL DC motor.
இதில் வந்து 8 சென்சார்ஸ் தான் நம்ம வச்சுருக்கோம். இதுலேயே இதில் 16 சென்சார். அதனால் ஒரு ஈஸியாக வந்து இன்டெகிரேட் பண்ணிப்பேன். இப்போ நான் வந்து டச் சென்சாரோட OLED டிஸ்பிளே வச்சுக்கலாம். அது மாதிரி நான் எந்த சென்சார்ஸ் வேணாலும் இன்டெகிரேட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இதே அட்வான்ஸ்ன்னு போனால் நாங்கள் ராஸ்பெரி பை யூஸ் பண்ணிப்போம். ராஸ்பெரி பையை வச்சு நம்ம MLK கூட இமேஜ் இது பண்ணிக்கலாம். ப்ளஸ் நிறைய 20+ சென்சார்ஸ் வந்து அதில் இருக்கிறனால ஈஸியாக இருக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு. அதனால தான் மினி இன்டர்மீடியட் அட்வான்ஸ்னு 3 மிஷின் கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம்.
இதில் வந்து பேசிக் இல்லை என்னன்னா இந்த எல்இடி பிளிங்க் போர்டில் கனெக்ஷன்
காரை வந்து ஸ்க்ரூ பண்ணுறாங்கல்ல, சேசிஸ்லாம் போய் ஸ்க்ரூ பண்ணுறாங்க. அப்புறம் வந்து எட்ஜஸ் பிளேலாம் நம்மளால் போய் ஸ்க்ரூ பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ அந்த விஷயத்தை வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஸோ இந்த 7 ஆக்சிஸ் வந்து மெடிக்கல் பர்பஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. இங்கே எது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ப்ரோக்ராம் நாங்கள் ஜாவாவில் தான் ஸோ இந்த டிஃபால்ட் ஹேக் ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து நாங்கள் அங்கே ஜாவாவில் எங்கள் பக்கத்து சிஸ்டம் கொடுக்குறோம். ஸோ அப்புறம் நீங்கள் தனித்தனி ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இருந்தால் ஆக்சஸ் வரையும் ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கலாம். அப்புறம் இது வந்து நாங்கள் அடுத்து நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து ஓப்பன் சோர்ஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதுக்கு NVIDIA i6 ஒன்று இருக்குது. NVIDIAவோட GPUs ஆக்சஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து இதை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணலாம். அப்புறம் வந்து இனி வந்து நம்ம இன்வெஸ்ட் கைனமேட்டிக்ஸ் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்ஸில் எதுவுமே போட தேவையில்லை. நம்ம டேரெக்டாக வந்து ரீஎன்ஃபோர்ஸ்மெண்ட் லேர்னிங் வச்சு எல்லா ரோபோட்டிக் நல்லா ட்ரெயின் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ அதுக்கு தான் நாங்கள் ஒரு மாடல் இது வந்து கண்டஸ்ட் வச்சுருக்கோம். இப்போ வந்து நார்மலாக தான் இருக்குது. இது ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து க்ளீனிங் ஃபிட்டாக இருந்துச்சு. இதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து மேனுவலாக ஜாகிங் பண்ணலாம், இல்லை சாஃப்ட்வேர்னு பண்ணலாம். இதோட ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது. நம்ம ஜாகிங் வந்து நார்மலாக போய் பண்ணலாம்னா இதுலேயே நார்மல் ஜாகிங் பண்ணலாம். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா சாஃப்ட்வேரில் வந்து டீச் பண்ணி ரன் பண்ணலாம். நான் ஆல்ரெடி ப்ரோக்ராம் போட்டு வச்சுருக்கோம். already small program code. எல்லா இடத்துலையும் வச்சுருக்கேன் ஸ்கொயரு லீனியர் எல்லாத்துலேயும் யூசி ஸ்கொயர்
இது வந்து மேப்பிங் வந்து நம்ம இதே தானாக எடுத்துக்கோம். அது வந்து நம்ம எங்கே மேப் ஆன் பண்ணுறோமோ அந்த லொக்கேஷனில் இது போய் இப்போ நம்ம ஏதாவது டெலிவரி பண்ணுறோம் இதை கொண்டு போயிடலாம், இல்லாட்டி சப்ளைஸ் அது மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கலாம். இது நிறைய சென்சார்ஸ் இருக்குது, மோட்டர் டிரைவர்ஸ் கேமரா இதாக இருக்குது. இது வந்து இது வேணால் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா அதுக்கப்புறம் அப்ளிகேஷன்ஸ் வந்துட்டு நம்ம எவ்வளோ டிஃபென்ஸுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம், அக்ரிகல்ச்சருக்கு எதுக்கு வேணால் நம்ம நம்ம தேவைக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி நம்ம மாற்றிக்கலாம், எப்படி வேணால் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ நம்ம இது ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு
பெரிய அப்ளிகேஷன்
இந்த டிசாஸ்டர் அந்த மாதிரி மனுஷங்களால போக முடியாத இடத்துக்கு இதை அனுப்பி
டிசாஸ்டர்
இப்போ எங்கேயாவது அவங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது சப்ளைஸ் அதெல்லாம் நம்மளே மேப் பண்ணி இதை தானே அதான் கண்ட்ரோல்
லாஸ்ட்
எல்லாம் எல்லாம்
நீங்கள் கொஷின் சார் நீங்கள் மென்டரிங் பண்ணுற பசங்க சஜஷன் சொல்கிற மாதிரி
ஐயர் வருங்களா
தம்பி சாருக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்கள், சார் உங்களுக்கு சஜஷன் சொல்லுவார், சார் நீங்கள் கேட்குங்க.
Which is we made it for our projects. It works on basic principle of life. So here we use an array of IR sensors.
it is used to capture the length of the line to track the path of the line. This, this is the IR emitter and this is the receiver. It emits the IR radiations and it captures the IR radiation for further processing. As we use microcontroller, random as a microcontroller, so it is enough for our computing purpose, and we use MDD3A for our motor control. We basically use motor control for controlling the speed of motors with the command of nano. Basically, it sends the signal where is the line, so it captures and process with our probe, and this is the button method which we use 16 watt battery which downgrades the voltage and protects the circuit from further damage. This is N20 motor which has RPM of approximately 800 RPM.
Which algorithm works?
It basically works on PID algorithm. Basically, PID algorithm is used to control the flow. It is very mostly used for a control as efficient controlling algorithm. Basically, what it does, we have jigger when we use our water moving the line. So to tackle that, we use this PID algorithm. So basically. In our code, you can see the constants.
Okay, next slide. Connect. In the back.
We are here to present about our line code, which works on basic principle of line. So here you can see array of IR signals. This is the IR emitter and this is the IR capture. When this IR emits the radiation, it captures. Basically, we use black absorbs most of the current. So when we emit radiation through this, when it follows the black line, it absorbs the entire line. So it captures as zero. In a digital, it captures as zero. So we use nano as our microcontroller, which acts as the main brain of our board. And we use the water control of MDD3A, which used to control the speed of motors, and we use water of N20. Basically, it works on the it is a basic principle of stabilizing the system. So we use it here because when we follow the line, when a deviation appears from the line, we need to tackle the system. So we can improvise our system. So we use PID. Here the jiggering is tackled with the PID, where I is used to stimulate the history and reduces the further jiggering.
Project I used 4 push buttons to enter the inputs and 3 push buttons. This is a block and this is 3 atoms and this is an admin reset button and this is an enter button and this is a block reset button. In this project, it has 4 states: IDD state and then unlock state and lockout state and admin state. In IDD state, you need to enter a password and you need to use the enter button. Then it again go back to the IDD state until 3 atoms. If you enter 3 wrong passwords, then it enters to a lockout state. Then you cannot give any password and you enter. If you even give a correct password and you enter, the system will be missing numbers. But when you give an admin reset, then the system will be again move to an IDD state and the all 3 atoms will be visible. And I have used the revolve for this and if you give a wrong password and give an enter, one atoms will be gone. And again you give a wrong password and enter, the atoms will be gone. Again wrong password and atoms will be gone. And the system will be entering into a lockout state. So that if you even give 1010 is a correct password. Even if you give a correct password, then the system will be doesn't unlock. When you give an admin reset, then the 3 atoms will be retrieved. Now, when you give a wrong password, again
When you given correct password, the door will be unlocked and 3 items will be retrieved. When you given wrong password, items will be gone and items will be gone. And when you given correct password, the 3 items will be again retrieved and the door will be unlocked. The Canada 4-bit push-button based digital lock efficiency, digital lock system using it. In this project have 4 stages: IDE, unlock, and lockout, and again admin research. In IDE state, you should enter a password, and if the password is correct, then it enter into an unlock state. In the unlock state, the 3 items will be retrieved. Our system has 3 items. If you enter a wrong password for more than 3 times, it enter into a lockout state. When it is in the lockout state, then the system, if you even enter a correct password, the system doesn't unlock. And when you can ask when we can get out of the lockout state. When you enter a admin reset, then you can enter again, go back to the IDE state, and you can again enter the correct password. And I have used Vivado for synthesis the code and run the bit schemes, and I have also done synthesis, and this is our state diagram of our project, and this is our code, and this is our synthesis output of our graph of our and output.